What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Mal's World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made my own sublimation printer. I have an Epson Eco Tank 2720. I found this at Target and it was a great printer for the price range and it was local, so I went with this one. Here I'm taking off all the tape and packaging that comes with this printer. Overall, this conversion was probably about an hour and a half because I wanted to make sure I didn't miss any step and that I didn't mess this nice printer up. I ordered my ink from Cosmo Ink. The shipping came within a few days and the product has been amazing. I've done a few sublimations since I've converted my printer and I'm very impressed with how long the ink has lasted and the quality. Here I opened up the Eco Tank lids and I put some cardboard under just in case it might have spilled, and I did wear a glove to protect my hands from getting ink on them. Every one of these bottles you will remove one of these protective white layers. After that, you just put the lid back on. The lid is designed with how the tank lids are, so you just pop that into place and it is ready to go. You can feel that it went in correctly, but you can also hear that it's filling up. And the nice thing about these printers is you can see the ink levels. Next, I went ahead and opened all of the rest of the inks and went ahead and filled them as well. I am impressed with the quality of prints that this ink gives me, and I am impressed by this printer because I can tell how much ink I have and I don't have to guess. Here I'm just dabbing the top of the tanks just to make sure there was no extra ink, and they are good to go. So I shut those, took off the plastic cover, and now I read the instructions and completed setup, and here's my sublimation. After watching that, hopefully it helps you get an idea of how you can convert a printer at home into a sublimation printer. Mine was the Epson Eco Tank 2720, and I've been very impressed with my results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow Mal's World Art on Instagram, and thanks for coming back to Mal's World. We'll see you in the next video.